Let's do number 24 and 25 of the ABCs of violin. We are introducing the whole note. The whole note contains 4 beats, so that's like having 4 quarter notes in that. And we are just dragging that bow even slower across the string to have 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And be really relaxed. Definitely play this on all 4 strings first. So let's do that. We're gonna play 2 G's, 2 D's, 2 A's, 2 E's, and just really take your time. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up bow. 1, 2, 3. Roll over to D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 1, 2, 3. Roll to A. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, E. Okay, so what we're doing for number 24 is we're playing A, 1, 2, 3, 4, rest 2, 3, 4, B. So let's say it. We're just doing those 4 notes, A, B, C, D. So let's say 1, 2, ready, go. A, 1, 2, 3, 4. B, rest 2, 3, 4. C, rest 2, 3, 4. D, rest 2, 3, 4. D, rest 2, 3, 4. C, rest 2, 3, 4. B, rest 2, 3, 4. A, rest 2, 3, 4. If you feel silly, then you're doing it right. Have some fun with this. And we want to verbalize it. We want to make our mouth say what we want our bow to do. So build that good habit now so that your brain knows what to do, your bow knows what to do, and it's just easier if you say it before you play it. So now let's pluck it. 1, 2, ready, pluck. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. B. 2, 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3, 4. C. 2, 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3, 4. D. 2, 3, 4. Rest. 2. D again. 2, 3, 4. Rest. 2. C. Go. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. B. 2, 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3, 4. A. 2, 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3, 4. Put down those fingers or lift them up during the rest so that you're not in a rush to hurry up and get there. Open A. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3, 4. Then we go up. Rest. 2, D again. 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you might be tempted to lift your bow in between and have all of those be down bows, but don't. They're all alternating. So hang out and get really comfortable with just hanging out at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3, 4. That's going to help you in the future when we start doing staccato and other different styles. So this, I would encourage you to do the opposite of what students usually do with pieces. We usually try to make them as fast as possible. Make this as slow as possible. That's a really good way to practice your bows and bow control, is to practice the slower. How slow can you go? Because then you'll get to pick on the sound quality of your instrument and your bow, and you're training these muscles to move even slower because they get used to all of these fast movements, that training them to go very slow is something that we usually miss out on. So take your time and see how slow and consistent your bow can be without like bounces or wow, 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 any of those. Have the pitch just stay very, very clean the the entire time, and watch how straight your bow is, and consistent. So that's the most important stuff. So number 25, we're removing those rests, and we're doubling some stuff. We took out the D as well. So let's say it. 1, 2, ready, say it. A, B, B, C, C, A. Nice. Now let's pluck it. 1, 2, ready, go. A, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. B, 3, 4. B, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. Open A, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now let's do the bow. And let's slow this down ever so slightly. 1, 2, ready, go. A, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3. First finger. B, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C.